Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can segment your audience whilst running Google Ads through the Ad Manager. Google Audience Segments lets you create, manage and target the right audience without needing to leave the CRM. So now let's say you are running a promotion, people are visiting your website, but something is wrong, maybe the website doesn't work, maybe the copy wasn't right, whatever it is, you can track and retarget that audience, for example, in order to maybe offer a downsell or change the price or anything like that. There are 4 different types currently available that you can target. One is the customer match, which means it uses your upload or synced customer data, which is best for retargeting existing users or loyalty programs. Second is the website visitors. Like I just said, it targets people who visited specific websites or pages within your website, or funnel pages, or people who took action on your website. This is best for remarketing or abandoned cart recovery. Then we have interest segments. It reaches users based on the search intent or maybe even browsing behavior. This is best for awareness and prospecting campaigns. And lastly, we have the lookalike segments. You can find new users similar to your high-performing customers. And this is best for customer acquisition and scaling. Let me show you how you can do this. So let's click on marketing on the left, Ad Manager at the top, then click on settings. Then go to Google Ads and click on audience segments. Then click plus create new segment. And here you can choose your segment type. Let's start with customer match, which targets users from your own customer list. Let's click continue. And right here, you can either upload a CSV file or you can use a smart list that you've already created. Here you can download a sample file on how you need to format the CSV file. And here you can read more formatting guidelines. Right here you can set the membership duration. The maximum is 540 days. Here you can give it a name and a description. Then you have to confirm that you certify that you have obtained this data with the user consent. You're not allowed to just scrape data and then spam people, right? Once you're done, hit create. Let's go back and let's choose website visitors, which is the people who have already interacted with your website. Click continue. Here you can decide how many days you want to go back into the past. I would suggest you go 30 to 60 days to get a more warm audience. Then you can add more conditions, add an action or switch to an end condition. Let's click or, and then here you can add another action. Let's get rid of this and let's click a refine action as well. So here you can then add the specific website URL that people have visited. Once you've added all of that, you can start with an empty segment or pre-fill segment with people who matched the rules within the past 30 days. Then again, you give it a name and a description, for example, Black Friday offer. And if you had several different offers, you can give it a description, the funnel builder or something like that, whatever your offer was. Let's go back. And here you can select based on interest segments. Hit continue, give it a name, let's say pet lovers, right? And then here you can select the people with the following interests or behaviors. People with any of these interests or purchase intents, or people who search for any of these terms on Google. And then here you can add those terms. For example, dog leash, okay? Anyone who then Googles the dog leash could be targeted with this ad. Or people who browse websites similar to any of your competitors' stores, or people who use apps similar to any of your competitors' apps. Now let's go back, and you can also select lookalike segments, which means basically people who are similar to your current customer base. Give it a name, lookalike pet lovers, for example. And then here you can select a seed list. We haven't created any seed lists yet, but once you've created those, they will show up here. And please note that the performance of your lookalike segment depends on the quality of your seed list. The more people you include and the more those people have in common, the better your campaign will perform. Here you can also add the location, let's say United Arab Emirates, amazing. And then you can add United States, for example, as well, or any other location you would like to go for, UK. And then you can segment the reach. Should it be narrow, like 2.5%, meaning it will try to target 2.5% of the people based on the data you've given it in that location, right? Balanced 5% or broad 10%. Now let me show you how you can create this segment inside the Google Ad campaigns. So go back, go to campaigns, create campaign, select Google, click next. Then either start from scratch or use the Ad Manager templates. I will go from scratch. Then scroll down to the audience segment tab. And then from here, you can select your audience segments. If you don't have any, you can create it right here from scratch. Then you can select customer match or website visitors. Now let's go back to the audience signals. You have the affinity and in-market options right here. Here, the target interests are defined by Google itself. So the affinity section typically represents like lifestyle, passion, and general interests. This is really good if you want to run top of funnel campaigns or brand awareness campaigns. A quick tip here, use a very broad audience to do this. And then exclude existing audiences or website visitors to reduce redundancy. And then combine this with graphics that are storytelling and brand recall. Next up, the in-market audience. These are the people that actively are researching and comparing products or services like yours. These people have expressed very strong purchase intent through recent searches. They have visited comparison sites or even product reviews. This could be, for example, travelers looking for hotel deals. So this feature you would use if you are very conversion focused and people are mid-funnel, not top of funnel, but mid-funnel, kind of like warmish. Or if it's lead generation or retargeting during the decision-making stages of the consumer. Quick tip, use with smart bidding to optimize the conversions. Layer this with customer match or website visitors for precision. Make sure to test the smaller audience size first to identify the best performing niches. So let's go to hotels by star rating, and then you can go really nitty-gritty here to 1 or 2 star hotels, 3-star hotels, for example. Please note that audience creation or syncing may take up to 48 hours. Lookalike and interest segments are not supported for search campaigns. And of course, ensure user consent before uploading their data. Please ensure that you've connected your Google Ads account, otherwise you can't start a campaign or create a segment. You can also exclude a segment from a particular campaign in order to save money. And that's it already. This is how you create segments within the Google Ads Manager. I hope you like this feature and be sure to check out all of our freebies listed in the description box below. I will see you over there.